Actually, it is not my childhood dream to become a cabin crew, but because I wasn't sure about anything before. But when I graduated, and then I thought, because I had something with aircrafts. Whenever I see aircrafts, there is something which is different. Go somewhere where it's a aviation industry when it is related to aviation industry. So I chose this career and I tried myself. In the initial stage, I thought I was not that good. Thought there is something with communication skill where I am lacking. Selected in PhD training, and by luck, I got this English for India platform where instructor, and I have also showed my communication skill, and my instructor guided me a lot. He helped me a lot in every phase. So today I am here, selected as a cabin crew in Indigo. There were four training partners and I wasn't aware of anything. So I searched in YouTube about every training partner. For India was something which I thought, and I also asked with some of my friends. So they also told me, you just randomly opt in for English for India, and that is where I thought that yes, I should go with that because for any other like there is something called instinct as decision which I made. To be very honest, every day was a memory that was full of joy, emotions, and learning new things. The things which I wasn't taught at my school, I was the right thing, because there are some instances there were grammatical errors which we and pronunciation. I'm sorry. So there were a lot of things which we got to learn, and we the best part was we get enough interconnected with many of the things, and we came across a lot of new things. So I came to know that there is this is the thing which I have to polish, or I have to, and that was done by English for India, no doubt. And it was really worth, to be very honest, it was really worth getting learned by English for India was really helpful. So here I am just because of this. I was very scared. I was crying before, like after my interview, I was very sad. That thought that I couldn't make it. I don't know whether I able to make it or not someday. Like there were a lot of negative thoughts that were coming, but I thought whatever will happen, I'll accept that. I have given my best. Whatever I have learned in this 22 days, I have given. Now rest us upon the God and whatever the blessings I am getting. So the way ma'am announced, and she told me, "Don't cry here. Go and cry at iFly." That is the moment I thought, "Oh my God, I'm selected." It was something which is hypothetical for me. I couldn't imagine even. So yes, it was. I really cannot explain my feelings. I just got goosebumps and I was crying a lot. After the session, also, I was crying. I cried my heart out. I don't know whether it will reach to them or not, but whenever in doubt, they should always go for English for India, because there was no one to tell me that you should go with this training. Don't have many friends who got selected for PhD. So I was the only one who decided with the help of my friend who are not in this industry. But if I'll come across anyone, then I'll surely suggest them for English for India. And yes, consistency is the key. We have to keep on trying until we don't achieve that thing. So I also thought that I cannot be cabin crew or something like that. I cannot dream about that. But yes, when I stood, when I when I actualized those things which were being taught at my class. So today this happened. I'm very grateful to everyone who helped me in this session or during this interviews. It's fine, because I don't think so there is any point where English for instructor, the platform, everything is fine. The way they teach us, the way they interact with, it's not like that I am doing my part and you are doing your part. That's a lot of communication where a teacher understands their student, even if every student is not understanding the thing. So they used to give their time. Even they are also active after the session as well. So they help in every possible way, the way they could. So that is the best thing which I get. And I don't think so the trainer which I got to learn, I'll ever get trainer like him.